complete solution for machining jet engine cases in the aerospace industry. The jet engine case is a pressure chamber designed to carry inner core components while withstanding drastic temperature changes and mechanical stresses. Its inner structure is composed of stationary and rotational parts. The casing is cold and made of titanium and composite materials, while the hot area is made of superalloys such as Inconel, Hastelloy and Waspaloy, which tends to have high strength machinability resistance. ISCAR offers a complete solution for machining aerospace components such as jet engine cases, taking into account these environmental and mechanical conditions and constraints. ISCAR provides a full range of turning tools. All standard geometries are supplied, including the popular trigon-shaped insert and the variety of chipformers and grade combinations for most machining needs. For machining jet engine cases, the cut grip line for internal grooving turning offers a large range of multifunction groove turn tools for increased productivity and profitability with the recommended IC806 grade. This range consists of different geometries to provide appropriate solution for most groove turn applications. In drilling jet engine cases, ISCAR's economical DR twist line provides a perfect solution for drilling large diameters when powerful machinery is not available, with the recommended IC908 grade. Twisted flute and cool holes enable easy chip evacuation and robust body structure with great resistance to torsion. The drill body is designed to hold from 2 to 4 square inserts with 4 cutting edges. This line is an excellent choice when drilling applications include angular, concave or convex point of entry and exit, and is suitable for interrupted drilling. The Thermocam line features indexable drilling heads and is the first choice for various semi-finishing drilling operations up to 12D ratio. ISCAR drills are commonly used in the aerospace industry for drilling tough materials such as titanium and high-temperature alloys. ISCAR's lines of solid carbide trimmers can be used for blind and through holes, as well as for cross holes or keyways on a wide range of workpiece materials, with the recommended IC07 grade. ISCAR solid carbide trimmers are designed for conventional reaming speeds, with H7 diameter tolerance. ISCAR provides premium quality solid carbide drills, which are available in IC908 and IC08 for high temperature alloys. Semi and finishing profile milling can be performed with ISCAR Multi-Master and a wide range of solid carbide ball nose and the corner radii end mills, featuring 2 or more flutes for faster table feed with the recommended IC908 grade. The Multi-Master family features thousands of combinations of milling heads and shunts, which enable the best selection of cutting tools for regular and long reach applications. Grade IC908 is recommended. The round H606 cutters are intended for 3D milling with the recommended IC830 grade. The cutters carry complex shaped insert featuring 6 main cutting edges with a 90-degree arc and 6 minor edges which are straight. This improves cutting action during ramp down and enables a side wiper flat operation when the cutter works near a vertical wall. ISCAR's 16mm tools are available in large diameters carrying 16H insert at a 45-degree lead angle for smooth entry of each pass with the recommended IC908 grade. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, the new industry 4 standard for increased productivity. Thank you.